Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can find the Tadpole Pens inside of Subnautica 2. You're going to need the Heat Adaptation to get here. Even though it's sort of on the edge of the hot zone, it is still like 80 some degrees Celsius where you're going to go, and will kill you if you don't have the Heat Adaptation. I will link a video in the video description below that tells you where you can get it. We're going to start our trip here by the Lifepod, and we're going to start heading out to the east. We're going to go to the volcanic area, or the underwater hot vents area. The game also references this area as the hot caves, and this is also where they keep the Tadpole Pens. It's the area just beyond the tall spiraling coral over here, where you originally find things like sulfur. You can see these big tall coral spires over here, and we're heading down into the heat. So we're just going to be kind of skirting along the left-hand side over here until we see a large chunk of crash-landed wreckage. And I mean a big one. It's going to be near this large central spire here. There's our big chunk of debris. And we're going to swing down here to the left into this little canyon, or this little ravine, whatever you want to call it. And there's going to be a water channel or a little water current that will take us the rest of the way to the Tadpole Pens. Right here, we're going to hop inside, and then we're going to follow this all the way to the Tadpole Pens. Now, one of the things that's nice about the Tadpole Pens, besides the lore importance of this area, is the fact that it also contains the first chassis upgrade for our tadpole. And if you don't have a tadpole yet and you're down here anyway, you can also scan the remaining chunks of the tadpole to unlock it. So if we go inside of here, check out and explore very thoroughly, because there's lots of stuff to scan. There is also this, if we pull out our scanner, the Scout Ray chassis fragment. You just got to scan one of these to unlock it. And that's it. Now you have an upgrade to your tadpole, and you've seen the Tadpole Pens. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. My last piece of advice is, if you go past the Tadpole Pens, out into the wilderness out here, be very careful. Things out there are very hungry. And you look very snackable. So that'd be it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.